Time for the next question. Which answer below best describes when the following method returns true or false? So let us look deeper into this code. Public static boolean mystery int value. So here this function is taking a values as a parameter, and this value is a int type of array. So let us try to take a reference of a int type of array. Let me take some values in it. 2, 15, 25, 18, 5, 12, and 25. Okay, let me write down the indexing. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. See, look at this for loop. What this for loop says, the variable I will start from 0 and go on till values.length. What is the values.length? It is length is 7. So value.length minus 1 is 6. So I should go on till I less than 6, which is equals to 5. So I will start from 0, will go on till 5, and I plus plus is all about incrementing it by 1. Now, look at this if condition. If math.abs, what is this math.abs? Okay, well, this is a math function which returns the absolute value of any number. What is the absolute value? Let's say if we have any value in negative, any value, 13, minus 2, it will always return a positive value for that number. So minus 15 will become 15, minus 13 will become 13, minus 2 will become 2. No matter what the number is, what the negative number is, it will always return the positive value of that number. Okay? All right. So absolute, math.absolute. Okay, so values of I. Let's consider the value of I initially is 0. So here value of I is 2. Value of I plus 1 is 15. Okay, so 2 minus 15 is equals to minus 13. Okay, so now math.absolute function will return 13. Yes, that's correct. Okay, so is this 13 greater than 15? No. Hence, this return statement will be exempted. So we will again come back to the for loop once again. I is equals to 1 this time. Going to this if condition. So this time 15 minus 25. 15 minus 25 is equals to minus 10. Applying this math.abs gives you 10. Okay. So once again, is this 10 greater than 15? No. Hence, once again, this return false will be exempted. We will again go back here. Like this, we will try to calculate the value of calculate the difference between each of the adjacent values in the array. Okay. All right. So now what we have to do? We have to look at each of the options and have to tell which option states the correct statement about this code. All right. So let us try to go one by one. Option A, the method returns true if each element of the array is greater than 15. Well, this is not the case because this array will return true. Okay. Now, since this is 2, this is 5, 12, these all numbers are less than 15, but still this array values are returning us the answer true. So this is incorrect. Let us now look into this B option. The method returns true if each pair of the element of the array is greater than 15. So here we have the pair. Is it greater than 15? No, it's not. Okay. But still this array is returning us true. So we will cross this option and next option comes out to be C. Let's go to this option. The method returns true if each element of the array is 15 more than each of the element next to it. False otherwise. See, over here again the same thing. Here the adjacent elements of the array are greater than, not always greater than 15, right? That is the reason this statement or option C will become false. Because it says if the adjacent elements are not greater than 15, then it should return false. This is not the case over here. Okay, so now let us go back to our option D. The method returns true if each element of the array is within 15 of each of the element next to it. False otherwise. This seems to be a little promising. Okay, let's try to understand this. It says the method returns true if the element of the array is within 15. So basically what is happening over here, the adjacent elements difference or the adjacent elements should be in the range of 15. I mean, the difference between them should be in the range of 0 to 15. Then only it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. Well, that is what this array is doing, what this code is doing. Okay? So this seems to be a promising option. Now let us also evaluate this E option. The method always returns false. No, this is completely wrong. So our option D is the correct option.